इस खराब लड़के
खुद ही हंसती है, खुद ही गाली देती है, खुद ही हंसती है.
So guys, I'm in Paris right now. Duga mafam ni am la be microwave cuz is gas cuz le ji ai thong na kai ja do no. Okay. Good. What is it inside? What's the point of this? It's okay. Okay, this must be a washroom. Quite dark. And this must be okay. Not bad. Not bad. Page washroom. Can I have a juice? And to me, I think this one is giving me the vibe. Do you think it's this one or this one? What's in between? I am a black. I am a Batman. Girl, you know what? I love you. Romantic. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go. We're late. So guys, get back. OMG, I am a bad girl. What is this girl? What is this? Anyway, you know it. Some did me a little bit over that. Some people were coming over. But it's okay, girl. Anyways, you know it. Guys, I am going out. Because this is my life. I love my outfit today. Reached the Eiffel Tower. It's really cold. Look at the light. Yeah, I want to have only one. What do you think about my outfit? Let me know. So guys, we go to pizza. son m'appellerait to refill le moment de que pigeon ça se que non il n'a pas payé moi mais ils ont mis au moins bien le leader thank you something
You want to have like something yeah. Dior promotion or something like that, and then they will give you a lot of. So that's how they
Calibrate. This is Plaza de
Calabres lasagna
can we eat?
yeah I'll take video to you guys
I want the plate. But how do we share?
you feel comfortable you feel comfortable
Yeah. You didn't. The waiters there.
I wonder how they come
Okay. Just eat from the. Oh my god.
It's raining. What to do?
Like this.
No way. We are here.
It's raining. Outside.
I'm gonna blur your face if you don't like. Do you mind if I'm posting this?
Yeah, it's okay.
Hey guys, this is so cool. I'm happy. I'm liking our view.
Look at the view. It's raining. It's drizzling right now. I might get cold later. So we are heading towards Sephora. I don't know the way. Anyways, I really the view is different. Night na nunggang at ihel ko fazaba. Fazaba sin nunggang ihel. Ayun din di no. Ko ikay no do. SIM card ki tower yung do dumale ba yung din. Nunggang di u. I really love it. Guys, we are here at Sephora. Sephora is there. And yeah, I'll look at it. Louis Vuitton store. I'm leaving. Look, I am like here is the big Sephora. No. So this one is what? The hotel?
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, I can see it. Okay. This is insane. I will tell you, this is insane. Guys, I Sephora. They told Sephora to me. I am pano to like hote. I hung your hourglass. Concealer the leg coming about. I do the camera like holiday. Yeah?
Indian restaurant.
Yeah, I saw her. So we know like should know. I delayed it. I Paris delay. I do delay. We are here to get some photo. I want to eat this or this. Or this morning roll. Let me check out more. I'm going back to the hotel with this खराब लड़के.
खुद ही हंसती है, खुद ही गाली देती है, खुद ही हंसती है.
Guys, I am back. Look at me. Look at my dress. So I bought this Medellin. My YouTube channel about ready to eat Japanese katsukari. Japanese katsukari like Medellin. Sampudo. Europe sector hek chapladi silari ko. This is for my morning juice. This is, I think this one is carrot juice, something like that. cookies. This is all I got. City am like this. I'm there. I'm just living better. It's okay. No matter do see the weather jam hazard le. Hazard. So. Taxi가 지지 가을은 요즘 애가 그냥 나 무서 그냥 혼자네. This is hit those Japanese curry katsugo. So guys, I'm at installations here, okay? If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know. Bye, see ya!